Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to reset your EA account password, right? So first option right here, go ahead and open up your browser. It could be on your mobile device, computer, or your console, okay, if you have a browser. Once done, just go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, just log in. Now, once you're in here, in the left panel, make sure that you're under account information. And then once done, go ahead and click on edit password right here at the top. Okay, so click on it. Now in here, scroll up, and you will see your password. All right, so what you'll do basically is just click on edit right here. Go ahead and enter your new password. And once you've entered your new password, type it down right here again. And do make sure that your password must be at least 8 to 64 characters and include at least one lowercase and one uppercase and also a number. Okay, and once that's done, just basically click on save. And after that, you're good to go. Now, another option, let's say you can't sign in because you forgot your password. So go ahead and click on the profile icon and then sign in. Now in this section, go ahead and click on forgot your password or need to create a new one. Okay, click on this option and then go ahead and enter either your email address or EA ID. Okay, so I'm just going to write down my EA ID right here. And then I'm going to click on next. You could also use your phone number if you want to. And then just basically click on send code. And a code will be sent to your email. Okay, just like this one. Okay, so what you'll do basically is just double click on the code, right click and copy, close the browser, paste that in here, click on next. Now it says here, enter a new password that's at least 8 to 64 characters long with one lowercase letter, one uppercase, and also a number. Okay, so go ahead and write down your new password and just basically click on submit. Once that's done, you're good to go as well. That's how simple it is to reset an EA account password. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.